So you just got accepted to a university and you've gone through the dreaded registration week. Congratulations! But now, you might be overwhelmed by the thought of moving out to a dorm, and you might be like, okay, what should I pack? What should I leave out? Don't worry, in today's episode of the Uncle Dom Show, we're going to be covering what things you should pack and what to leave out. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about the essentials, and there's a list of things here that I've put out. So let me read them one by one. For electronics, you're going to bring a computer, whether it's a laptop or a PC. I mean, 99% will bring a laptop. You got to bring a phone, a power bank, a lamp or like a light or something. But if your uni has already like a built-in lamp thing, then you don't have to bring it. A fan or something similar to cool you down. A plug extension. Okay, you have to bring a plug extension regardless if your uni allows it, because why, you're going to regret not bringing it. If it's confiscated, oh well, at least you've tried. And lastly, you gotta bring an Ethernet cable. This is because you can never trust the Wi-Fi at uni. And yeah, it's just a backup plan just in case. In terms of stationery, you can bring a pencil box and like a few A4 pieces of paper and books and all that. But here's the thing though, you can buy literally all of that from the uni convenience store. So if you want to save a lot of space, you can leave those things out and buy them later on, because space is very important. More on that in the later points. Life stuff. Okay, you gotta bring clothes that will last you from 1 to 2 weeks. You gotta bring toothbrush, shampoo, all of those stuff. Or if you want to save space, you can, buy it from the uni store. You gotta bring packs of masks, common medical stuff, pillowcase. If you want to save some space, you can always bring an inflatable pillow, but that's not really comfortable. But the option is there if you want to save some space. You gotta bring a kettle. Okay, I think the kettle is probably one of the most important things you should bring, because with a kettle you can make hot food like Maggi and all that. You can make hot drinks like coffee, tea. You can also use a kettle to boil clean water, so that's another good thing about a kettle as well. You should bring detergents for clothes. And lastly, you gotta buy a water bottle. If you don't have a water bottle, then be sure to buy this water bottle. The Shopee link is in the description below. Every single purchase of that bottle will help me just a little bit. So yeah, links in the description. If you want to buy anything else, make sure you leave some space. You can either buy the things, as I said, you can buy it afterwards, after you've arrived to the uni, or you can just not bring them. Uni packing is about what you can sacrifice and how much you're willing to take. Number 2, pack as little things as humanly possible. I'm sure you guys can relate, but Asian parents tend to force their child to overpack for literally everything. And of course, this will include your university dorm as well. So don't bring things like snacks, baskets, drinks, and every other stuff that you can just get from the convenience store when you go there. Well, I made the mistake of bringing a little too much snacks during the first week of uni, and I regretted it because number 1, I didn't even eat like half of it until the very end of the sem, and number 2, the space could have been used for something else that is far more important. Things that you cannot buy from a convenience store. Number 3, when I said don't bring baskets, I specifically mean don't bring these kind of baskets, like the plastic ones. Imagine after you've moved to your tiny room, where are you going to place it? It's such an irregularly shaped object. It's probably, too tall to fit below your bed. It's too wide to fit like in your cupboard. So what I recommend instead is to bring one of these. This is a cloth basket, so you can put, your laundry there and all that. And of course, it is not as sturdy as the plastic one, but it is far more convenient to store it. Number 4 is to not bring too many clothes. I made the mistake of bringing way too many shirts that I ended up not wearing at all during the entire semester. I recommend bringing around 1 to 2 weeks worth of shirts and pants, because you have to remember that eventually you will have to wash them by the end of the week. So, there's no need to bring too many. This is not a holiday vacation, you're going there to live. So, don't bring too many, okay? And number 5, bring as many things as you possibly can in your first day. Okay, contradicting everything that I just said just now. Yes, I know I said you should bring as little clothes, you should bring as little this and little that. But here's the thing though, you will regret not bringing things that are the most important to you. So if you said something like, I will survey the place first, or I will wait till the semester break or something, if you don't live nearby, guess what? That will be the longest 7 weeks of your life. So yeah, there will be a lot of stuff you gotta carry, but oh well, it's all worth it. So bring as many things as you possibly can during the first day, but of course, make sure the things that you bring are things that you actually use. Be smart about it. In conclusion, packing for uni is about how much back pain you're willing to take on the first day. Bringing your bags is one thing, but remember, storing and packing your bags after you have arrived is a whole nother beast of its own. Remember to always have at least one hand free, because you're going to be doing a lot of walking. So yeah, have one hand free, but if you don't, good luck. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you want to support me as a channel, be sure to buy this water bottle. Links in the description below. It's on Shopee. It's really good. Yeah, it's really good. As usual, you can follow me on Instagram right here. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.